Hello my friends, today I present two of the rarest pocket watch escapements, the Verge and the Duplex. Discover their main characteristics and how each one works. The Verge Escapement is considered one of the earliest escapement designs ever created. It uses a crown-shaped escape wheel and a vertical shaft fitted with two pallets positioned on opposite sides. In this system, each swing of the balance releases a single tooth of the escape wheel, allowing the mechanism to advance step by step. Despite its historical importance, the Verge Escapement is inefficient, generates high friction, and offers limited accuracy. Because of these drawbacks, it was gradually replaced by more advanced escapement designs over time. The Duplex escapement is distinguished by having two separate rows of teeth on the escape wheel, one for impulse and the other for locking. It operates with a single pallet that alternately engages with these two rows. As the balance oscillates, it releases the escape wheel one tooth at a time, allowing controlled motion through the gear train. Although this system provided good accuracy for its time, it suffered from higher wear compared to more modern escapements. For this reason, it was mainly used during the 18th and 19th centuries, especially in high-quality pocket watches.